the second
Yeah, and multiple chambers.
correct. So what we do,
Do you think that this could be, is that what you're thinking?
I'm really not, because of the constraint. I'm going like this, and this would be 1 room, 2 rooms, bathroom 3 and 4, the hallway, which you can see as well. Remember, we're switching after start growing and breeding again. This could be a situation too wide or this is here, and we have like a social thing, this way, out the window, right, and that's about it. So then that way, because we're not moving it. We're not going to move on, we're kind of risk it. So this is just getting it, and then we're
Okay, so that's what I'm going to ask you. What so we know what's going to happen. So what she has said is that she has people that are going to help her move. So I don't know if they're going to be moving the person to go to the new kitchen. Yeah. One thing I do want to let, I know she did mention today that she wanted to get some stuff out, so I spoke to the kids at the doctor. So they have something today because I mentioned she has like this kind of family with a certificate. So she hopefully will, our game plan is to have her already set up today at the unit over there. So tomorrow when she checks out, she can put especially you guys can start already tomorrow.
Yeah, and on my end, what we're really going to do is, kind of what we're talking about is, we're just going to chamber it, we're going to class it.
So the bedroom didn't get separate.
We did it, we can see what it was in the second area. Now, I will have sisters there, so they're chambering it up, but during our work, we really don't want anybody in here because we need...
Well, contamination.
Yeah, I have a negative running like 24 hours, and that's that last day. We will be done with work, but we want one full air spray, right, on everything. And that's the same, the bathrooms are going to be their own separate. So if anything was to fail, we are ready to go. We know exactly where that is.
You can isolate it.
We're creating 4 chambers. Hopefully that is probably
So as far as content, I mean, are we going to say that it's everything here in the kitchen? What?
So first content's good, right? I mean, anything that's here, right? I mean, I'm gonna dump the section, right? I'm gonna move it out of my way. I need to get everything that's gonna prevent me from getting us to find it. So that's gonna be off. That wall, I'm gonna stay off that wall, right? I can move something off that wall in the kitchen. So the second